Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody, from our last day here in Bangkok.
We're racing like usual. We're gonna go do our first meetup, which is also kind of a scary thing for us.
We're gonna meet our internet friends in real life, and we're gonna head over to the Emporium Mall.
It's been raining on and off all morning and pretty hard for a while, so we've just been watching from our room and it's been so nice. But now we have to do a scary thing as introverts. We're gonna go meet strangers off the internet. But first we're gonna grab a little bit of food here from the mall food court. Picked up a couple of bao buns, and now Yami wants a drink.
So for those that don't know, Thai iced tea is actually using the brand chores, and so they have locations, and I've been wanting to try this. So let's see. I feel like it's gonna be the same, you know. But now I'm actually trying Thai iced tea from the Thai iced tea company. Oh, that's good. It's just like street, street Thai iced tea. It's the same.
Yeah, it comes in a really nice cup.
Yeah, reusable.
Everybody,
YouTube?
yeah, it's for
Yeah.
YouTube. Everybody meet Tony and Trang.
Hello.
Where can they find you guys?
You can find us on Instagram at Tony and Trang. And yeah, TikTok, Tony and Trang as well.
Awesome. Well, it's great meeting you guys.
You guys as well. Take care, guys.
Feel a little less introverted now.
Yeah, they're like the coolest people we've met. It's amazing.
It's funny how we always go into things feeling like all nervous and scared, but we always end up happy at the end. But now it's time to get home and start packing. But first, we still need to print our visas, so let's get that done. There's our visa up on the screen for the next country, but you guys don't get to see that yet. This place is very busy and bustling. Lots of people getting stuff printed and copied.
Hey yo, visa check.
For only 12 baht, we got 4 copies and we're ready to go. We have one last load of laundry drying all over, and we've really moved in here, so it's a mess. Packing is moving along nicely. Just waiting on a few last things to dry, but we're gonna go treat ourselves to some Thai massages once again. But first, we need some cash because it's our last day and we don't have cash.
This used to be an occurring issue where, like, literally on our last day, we run out of cash.
And since all we've eaten today is a bao bun, a little something to hold us over till dinner. Cash and snacks secured, so let's go get massages. And here's the massage spa across the street.
One foot massage and one Thai massage later, and feeling good. I know that they always end the treatment with tea.
The foot massage also includes like head and shoulders, and they spent like 15 minutes on head and shoulders, another like 10 minutes on hands and arms. It felt amazing, and according to my smart ring, I napped for almost 40 minutes. So that's how relaxed I felt.
That is the best way to end Thailand. I've noticed that like the Thai massages have a similar, like style, right? But everyone does it a bit differently, and this place did it really good. I like how they, just work everything, and I think I'm ready for a travel day tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep
To
good tonight.
undo all the work. Yeah, and that was probably the best foot massage that I've gotten, so well worth it. But now it is time to figure out dinner. We gotta pick up some fruit before he despawns on us. Two more Thai beers for old time's sake. And yesterday's fried rice was so good, we're back again. It's a good thing we ordered fruit because fruit guy despawned again.
And that's why I've got the fruit, because we always know he's gonna disappear.
It's always impressive to me when people can use a wok properly and flip the rice, because I make a mess every time. We secured our fried rice bag and fruit bag.
It's unbelievable because just as fast as we got here in Thailand, we spent 45 days here, and now, boom, we're leaving tomorrow. Like, what? I'm always gonna miss Thailand, but I'm happy we're like ending it. Well, part 2. Happy we're ending Thailand part 2 with some delicious street food. and some fresh fruit.
And a
Thai food.
massage.
And a
Thai
massage.
beer.
Yes.
And that concludes it. Again.
Stop. No. I know Moses is gonna use this on a clip in the future.
And that concludes it once again. And today was extra special because we got to meet some great people too. And hopefully we'll cross paths with them once again in the future. What I think I've enjoyed most about this trip to Thailand is that we weren't in such a rush to kind of check off our list of all the different tourist sites. And this time we actually got to enjoy just Thailand itself and kind of live like a local a bit. And that was a lot of fun and a whole new adventure for us.
But tomorrow we are off to another country, and if you guys want to follow us along our journey, please remember to hit that subscribe button and follow us on our social media, Instagram and TikTok at Moses and Yami.
Today we would like to send a special greeting. Hoy queremos mandar un saludo especial a nuestra abuelita, la bonita mamá. Saludos desde Tailandia.
Saludos, mamá.
And we'll see you all tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.